My name is Berkeley Anderson and I am the Director of Business Development and Marketing, and this is Redline Racing. Redline Racing is located in Orem, Utah, and we are an all-electric go-kart center. All indoors. Our track is a 5-in-1 sort of track. So just with the opening and closing of our barriers, we can make 5 different tracks in one, which is super cool and unique.
Hi, my name is Alex Flores. I'm one of the managers here over at Redline Racing. We have our vessel system installed for our audio, for our music, for calling up our races. One of the main things we use it for is calling up our races. Before people enter our track, they have to go through a safety briefing in order to get their attention. We use our microphones. We turn the microphone on, it cuts the music, which is amazing, and then we cut it right off after we're done, and the music starts right away, which is one of the best things I like about it. Other systems don't do that. That's what I really like about this one. It also helps us with doing our announcements for our final races, making sure we give the customers a nice 3, 2, 1 countdown with a green flag going. It's just overall a good system. It uses it for what we need it to be used for, and it's perfect for our go-kart track.
Pulse Technologies was contacted, or I was contacted by Sean Anderson, who's the owner of Redline Racing. We installed several B-drop speakers as well as some CL speakers, and we did Alta Labs. This is a 40,000 square foot facility, and we were able to give full coverage throughout the building with great speed throughout this facility with just a single Alta Labs Wi-Fi access point. We put in an AP Pro, and it's giving them great coverage. Everything works well and incorporates well together, and they've been very happy with it. It's been a great implementation.